Importing reservations via CSV, step number 4, matching the grid layout with your source CSV file. We're going to start off by opening up the HWeb dispatcher and loading the desktop called Res Imports, which we created earlier. Also bring onto the screen underneath this the CSV file that we have also downloaded from the HWeb Netcast knowledge base article. We're going to start with the arrivals grid first, which is the topmost of the two. Right click on any one of the column headings, come down to grid layout. We're going to scroll across to the right until you find the column named default value. I'm going to click on that to put these in ascending order. And you'll now see, for example, across from the name field, we have a $01. This indicates that we are actually going to be pulling and inserting the name from the CSV file that's located in the first column. The flight TOD has the default value set to $02, $03. In our case, the date is being pulled from column 2 in the CSV, and the time from column 3. So put $02 space $03. The airline from column number 5. The flight number is coming from column number 6. The flight city from column 7. The number of passengers to be on this reservation from column number 8. The flight type, domestic or international, is coming from column number 12. We have special instructions calling from column number 13, and the email address from column 14. The ID value is always going to show the word new, meaning that it's going to create a new reservation number every time a new reservation is added or imported. We need to locate and find the field labeled Standard Template. Double click in the default value column or field across from Standard Template, and you want to enter in the number of the reservation that you created in the last or previous step that corresponds to arrivals. This will be the import arrival template reservation that you created. When you're finished, you click Apply and OK. Repeat the process for the departure grid as well. Right click on any one of the column headings, select Grid Layout, scroll across to and locate the column labeled Default Value. You can click on it in order to put all of the fields in ascending sequence. And again, the name is going to be $01 because we're pulling the name from the first column on our CSV file. The airline will be from $05. The TOD in this case is going to be the departure date and time, which is in columns 9 and 10. The number of passengers is probably still the same as the arrival and is pulled from column 11. The type, column 12. The special instructions, column 13, email address, column 14. Once more, locate the field called Standard Template, and in the default value cell, you want to enter in the reservation number for your departure import template, the reservation that was created in the last step. Stay tuned for the next step where we actually complete the import process and add reservations via CSV.